Sales profiles are used to partially or fully automate your load invoice charges. There are 3 types, and they all work the same way, so we'll cover just one of the types. We'll add a sales profile charge item for a customer in Customer Setup. You can click the Sales Profile button on the main list, or you can get to it from the Sales tab. Both access points open the same wizard. Select the customer that you want to assign a charge item code to. Sales profiles work best if you usually or always select the same item on booking invoices for the customer. We're picking a freight item that has a basis of billing by the ton. We'll go ahead and fill out the rate because for now, the rate per ton is always the same. If the rate changes frequently, you can leave it blank in the profile and fill it out per load. This last window lets you confirm or change the billing method that you want, then insert the item into the profile. We've already entered a load for the customer with the actual weight entered on the stops since our item uses it to calculate the billable tons. Click Profile to bring in your sales profile. You can add items to a sales profile from here too. Let's say we always add fuel surcharge to this customer's loads. After adding the item that you want to be part of the sales profile, click the black arrow on the Profile button and open the Quick Insert. It detected that the general ton item already exists, so let's just include the fuel surcharge item. Starting from scratch, let's see it again. This sales profile totally automated our typical charges. You may have noticed that the fuel surcharge rate auto-populated before. That's because this customer also has a DOE index fuel surcharge scale. You can use sales profiles with freight rate charts or fuel surcharge scales for even more automation. Use the Master Profile Editor to make changes to sales profile item details. Remember how we entered a static rate per ton for the line haul charge? Details about your sales profile items can be changed right from here. You can also delete the item by right-clicking on it. Sales profiles can also be established company-wide, which means the profile is applied to all loads, or based on the equipment class assigned to the load. That's it for this month's tips. Learn more about automating your load invoice charges by searching for sales profiles in the knowledge base.